going on, YouTube? Today we're going fishing. It's currently 11:53. I usually go to work around 2:30, so I have what, 2 hours to fish. Depending on when I get there, 2 hours to fish. I might fish for 2.5. I don't like to rush, so I probably won't fish for 2.5. But you know, we're going fishing at the Reservoir, which is my local reservoir. I've fished that before in a few videos. But today we're fishing above the Spillway. We're gonna do a video of fishing below the Spillway soon. I don't know when. I gotta wait for Aubrey to come up. We're gonna do that one together, I think. But you know, so yeah, just stay tuned and hopefully I can go catch some fish today. Oh, that hurt my ankle. I got too tight. I got trash can thing. Alrighty then. Let's get going, ladies and gentlemen. It is 12:21 currently, and I don't have a freaking cup holder for my water. Because you know it's hot. You gotta drink water this time of year. Let me go ahead and roll my pants up a little bit so I can walk in the water. I can walk in the water. I'm rocking the Crocs. Ooh. Get her in there. Okay. Let's see. Make sure there ain't no snake coming for me. Last time I was here, I saw a big old copperhead. Oh, yeah. Oh, we going? We are going. Oh, we're out here, guys. Heck yeah. Hadn't been out here in a minute. Let's go this way first. Oh. No. Oh yeah. Come here, baby. That's a nice fish. A thick fish. She's barely hooked. Barely hooked. Shoot. Come here. No. Got her. Yes, sir. I finally got one. And it's a nice one. Look at her. Look at that fish. Go. Woo! Took me a minute. I finally caught one. Oh. Shoot. Oh my God, that's a nice fish. Heck yeah. Oh, I think that one's not going nowhere. It's hooked good. God almighty, look at that thing. It ain't a monster, but it's a nice fish. Yes, sir. Oh, that's a thick one. That's a thick one. Look at that thick girl. God, that's a nice fish. Let me get the old cell phone out. Well, darn it, cell phone, come here. Ah, that fish. Yes, that makes my day good. Fishing for 2 hours. Oh. Oh man, it's hot. I don't know if you can see me. The sun might be in my face. It might have me all dark. It's hot. I fished for about an hour and a half. I missed 3 fish, caught 2 fish. 2 good fish too, not bad fish at all. Not bad fish at all. But, you know. So, there's a camera watching me record myself as it's recording me. That's weird. Hello. Oh well. I was fishing, it don't matter. There's a kayak, if you can't see it. There's your kayak, over there. I'm about to throw the drone up so y'all can see where I was fishing at today. Just hold on a minute. California crawl. It's a good looking color. Trench hog, natural color. Both good baits. I mean, it's the same bait, both good colors. I like this one more. This color's my favorite, but I like that one too. Alright. Thank you guys for watching Will Outdoors today. I caught 2 fish. And 2 fish is 2 fish, but for summer fishing at 12:30 in the afternoon, I'll take 2 fish over no fish at all. So, thank you guys for watching. I will catch y'all next time.